Assalamu alaikum, Kamaraba official viewers and followers. I greet you all this morning, though it was unnoticed when we were coming. But it's just that we are happy that my brother standing by me, Adama Sanneh, a week or few weeks or a week back, this devastating windstorm has caused a lot of havoc, displacement in many communities. And one of the affected or families that have been affected, my team member, Adama Sanneh of Kamaramba office. Adama is discomforted, then the platform also is discomforted. And if you can remember, those following the Kamaramba platform, I've made some script about to request for support, who can step in to give us a hand. Though there is a donor stress, because every community is being affected. But thank God, a sister and a friend, she stays in America, and we didn't even share the same political party, but she's a true Gambian. She always steps in when there is a need and necessary. And here she comes. Why I am not mentioning her name, she has been doing more than days to support people during their trying times, during their difficult times. But her name would not be pronounced because she always do it for Allah. And we thank her for sending us during this time. We know this Tobaski time. If you are away, you have to be settled in other things, rams and other things. And many people receive such as at this time. And we are very, very happy. We are very much grateful to this, our wonderful sister. She has always been there for us. She has been supportive to Kamaraba himself. And now, that has now extended to my core or my team member. And so we thank our dear sister for giving us a $10,000 in support to Adama, so that they can fix the problem that they have, the roof. And we appreciate that. We don't have any, or if you have any new words in the vocabulary that can say thank you, sister, we would just say thank you. We don't share the same political party, but she's just that unique person. She's a woman with substance. She's a woman who looks after humanity, who cares for humanity. And this does not only apply to the Gambia, it applies to the Gambia alone. Everywhere, every corner, this woman generosity reaches out to people like Adama, those who are affected. And mbadi ngolu mbal konton na mbal tentu la mbal jaila abi ndoku nyo mingera Adamati Sanneh on Kamaraba official team member lum woni mfonyo ba men tambidanu ay tinyaro ke banko be kan moti men haymanola koleata baki frena korda ala fa korda la family korda pirang fonyo e wo fanambe la korgetul be wutule onata kentele ni kuya bati ani kole ya ba pour kaje ndokunyo na hakilo mata tinkundi telefona hakilo mata tinkunka so kamala sabula matana saferoke on our social media platform on Kamaraba official mbari musu kende do sali hino do ne a lonko ni atara ka son na nyin ke bara sifali ke atosi kankula mba to faraja bari molum ne a lonko naman dem pati kilin bari na dem ta Gambia lale adu na dem ta fana mo kende yatole nyina mu Gambia ti ini mo be pati kilimbang inate pati kilimbang wallahi halinga Gambia di woto nyimmari nyimbari musu kendo nyin ni a lonko al nafa ba ana la fasar ba abe kamera ba yele adu hani kamera ba platform aba yele adu nate pati kilin adu kamera ba platform UDP platform odi ni safono 100%. Bara ay munije doku kendo anin banku doku me men keka anin akanje mbe kudol keka mel manke patiola kuti mele alongo banku doku le moti e nakuna tena diaye wato bela aben support la ana dan na timo member mengela adamati ya fana na safero kala koto e ni watin kono wa intili sabo koma antili fula koma ay kuma kambula ay dala civili tandinna ko men kafuka nyoma an sinyin fana laje ngadi adamala ay tafo ila kurgeto men fonyo ya be bondi piran asa samba aya kafu memba bula ya lawo kan bari be samale kon ni fonyo e men kankrambe wulindika woto wala sama be kole alale la dimbal be terla min tole so dalila kamala sabula update oni man pe bari komi la fenu kata adama yale pour kata ka futaje ngadi ni honorable Bakary Njie ka nga faamu ko na bundu fanan na fondinke kafo min bije bundu UDP youth wing wol fanan kam mamul melike ka jalba ko ate min kaf play ke kenu ika fundraising soto ika kodolu tale ike futandi mol majang ni atra ka woni sifali ma a honorable Njie mengera Bakary Njie bundu ngo ko ndala député o ana dañ hakili ñi masu ko anin ka ke moli jang sai ka fudi ngo famadu hanasra yabe mane woto a wajibi ata natana si ye ma confirm follow ibe jelle dila bar nga understand ko isitale as an executive youth executive ka directional D pour na treasurer isita ye kodogo ndi bank ya lañi wil tankan adum defon kara dulato mo le fana yen kum afonye ko abe do dilana but comme sign it is in urgency so kanyindi adamala ay ta sign ay mensi nga dundi woto ni men nata nga tara support law kono so wolem nyenti so wodo mbe bundum funding ke on mbe tendula mbe la député o tendula mbe la councilor lu tendula mbe la ya combino lu tendula mbe la chairman lu tendula ye koma fellow menke kaje ko adama mu piran koleti bara sirim bundum abe political bundum nyim bundum do ko wilta be wala kono ani funding ke be mama na wala to ibulo benda memfe ite fanan ko ibaw lala nanyim bari musu kendo fana mendinna menkeda dala civil tanti $10,000 woto adama na bari muso yalon ko mbato folele bar mba folele in camera outside mbaytan lela ko wole nyindinna akaye safiroje anyo kuyata barasi menkeno wolom nyindi wato le bisuti be derni bari la samo jamale be jikiro wodlani no bari muso mu zamzam nati zamzam mobe kala file ni chance de fula madu yamin e imaji wotumo dunia man develop zamzam ni mulia donko itara hijola wala ka chance to no wala ninna kebal tada do ke kabandin kon bari imaji sign zamzam dunia bi sulata la labano sign ya a fentendi wul dada sign butel wul dada ka samba wala aka futano mobe ma so nanyin nanyin bari muso zamzam no nala nafa man futema alali ma ke doro bare am ngani yobe kaje ko mobe tara sewori mobe hakilo tara tenkundi yo asike dalu mam boy tina tema kad ndina be contact sur la watu minata automatically na on camera ba official bara yeje camera ba official le koto akeje be do ko la on camera ba so kamala a feel ko me tema wolente ma so woto Adama ko do fele ni alon ko abota nan naw bari musola abe America le ban tato fola bar mba fule le leta
okay abraka ba ke camera ba ilo tanye ba ke be ala tentula be mobe tentula mil duwata wo mil ye fen di wo bebe tentula be nimbare muso fana yin tentula ba jeyila tonya mo jama balle ka camera ba folo andum ngani yobo mo jama bala fanala ko kuoke comme ya fo nyami kuolbe molbe samala kono andum salo fana sutiyata na comme que mobe tentu dal ki jey ka bari muso nyim fana tentu bake ka jey ya jibe ya fo jang ikol nata pati killing andum to yalam tol kany do ko ka pati yole bari niaje fana nata lota singola ka mol makoy ay na platform mo ni na lay na platform mo ka move nyamin a lafta wala na platform mo kata nyamin ay wala kanu walakin na ay kan ika doku nyima minke walakin na ay kan woto ka tentu ka jey tolin kontanta bake as camera ba official media kontanta ni sewota ngisolata ba fla alma wuli sela anoto
okay abarka bake comme fo nyami nyim manke commente ko camera ba official na men soto man honorable Bakary Ndiaye soto as the advisor afanana buñalom ñimti defan ko Bakary Camara as camera ba ati Adama Sanneh Kimbay you know anin efo jadama anin tida dabo telebe on in camera ba official odo nyinara wolle be jiko camera wolle be la wakilo kama odo be duala falatim famano nyi nyon bara hani sign abunda be yellinde momon nin si menkeno ngalon wato be defering ni men si dal si lul dino men si dal standino it is still open kaje ko mbadimo ani mbadim kote ndol be opportunity kala momon nin si menkeno doye même manke han adamati dukal ngawili kadabake molla dula tiyata allo nyoye sinyo yato badi yakan kanyo fasa utumba fulale ko assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa ta'ala wa barakatuh 2021 road to state house camera bako
sa Allah